stop staring at those annoying streaks on your bathroom mirror. You have tried the blue sprays. You have tried the heavy-duty paper towels. Nothing seems to get it perfectly clear. Then a video pops up on your feed. It shows a simple cloth and a splash of plain water. No chemicals are involved. No harsh smells fill the air. The glass looks invisible after one quick swipe. This is the promise of the KoalaCloth. It is a product that has been following everyone around the internet lately. People are desperate for a simpler way to clean. The idea of ditching the plastic bottles and the toxic fumes is very tempting. Thousands of reviews suggest that for many shoppers, this is a total win. They describe a fabric that is thick and durable. It seems to hold up well after multiple washes. For mirrors and shower doors, it genuinely seems to perform better than a standard rag. But you have to be careful when a product looks this perfect. There is a darker side to the hype. Some customers report a very different experience. They open their mailbox to find a thin, flimsy piece of fabric. It looks nothing like the heavy-duty material shown in the flashy advertisements. That is a huge red flag. Then there is the issue of the checkout process. The website is designed to make you panic. You see those countdown timers ticking away the seconds. You see the pop-ups telling you that 10 other people are looking at the same item right now. These are classic pressure tactics. They want you to move fast so you do not stop to check the details. That is how the surprise descriptions happen. You think you are making a one-time purchase. Suddenly you see a recurring charge on your bank statement every single month. It is a nightmare to cancel sometimes. Shipping can also be a test of your patience. Some orders take weeks or even months to land on your doorstep. By the time it arrives, you might have forgotten why you even wanted it. It is important to realize that this is not a total scam. Most people do actually receive a functional cleaning cloth. It just is not a magical solution to all your problems. If you want to try it, make sure you use a secure payment method. Read the terms and conditions twice. Do not fall for the fake urgency of a ticking clock. At the end of the day, it is a decent tool that earns a respectable 7 out of 10. It does the job for most glass surfaces. Just keep your expectations grounded in reality. It is a piece of fabric, not a miracle worker. You are still the one doing the scrubbing. The cloth just makes it a little bit less of a chore. Stay smart and do not let the flashy marketing cloud your judgment. Consider how many times you have been burned by a social media ad. It feels great when the product actually works. It feels terrible when you get a package that feels like trash. This specific brand sits right in the middle of that spectrum. It is not the ultimate breakthrough in science. It is just a microfiber weave that is optimized for glass. If you already have a drawer full of cleaning rags, you probably do not need this. If you are starting fresh and want to reduce your chemical use, it might be worth the gamble. Just be the type of shopper who checks the fine print before clicking that big shiny button. Your bank account will thank you later. The dream of a perfectly clean house with zero effort is always going to be just that, a dream. But having the right tools can make the reality a little more bearable. This cloth is one of those tools. It is useful. It is practical. But it is definitely not magic. Do not go in expecting your life to change overnight. It is a cleaning rag. It works well on windows. That is the beginning and the end of the story. Stay skeptical and keep your mirrors clear.